Welcome to how to see Snapchat password in Snapchat. So in this video we are going to show you how to see Snapchat password in Snapchat. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you will open up your Snapchat application and then you will basically tap on your profile icon at the top left, and then from here you can see that this is your profile, and then you will simply tap on the settings option at the top right. So tap on it, and then basically if you scroll down here you can see this option where it says password. Okay, so simply tap on this one. But now here you can see that there is no option to see our password. So unfortunately within the app we cannot see our Snapchat password. Okay, you can, if you don't know the password, you can just simply tap on this one where it says forget your password, and then you can basically enter a new password. Okay, but within the app there is no way that you can basically see your password. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.